Hello everyone, welcome to the Box Desire. This is the new 20th anniversary Xbox controller. This controller was made to celebrate the launch of the original Xbox, released on November 15, 2001, 20 years ago. It has a great translucent design, so you can see the rumble motors moving to create vibrations. On the right side, there's a number 20 engraved onto the controller, and you will also notice it has a more vibrant green, which is the same green used for the original Xbox. This green is also present in the back for the grips, and these are actually textured differently with a softer material, so that's nice. Besides the cool looks, this controller has two hidden features. The first one being under the battery cover. This hides the signature of Phil Spencer, the current executive vice president of Microsoft Gaming. He really saved Xbox back in 2013 when the Xbox One had been launched as an all-in-one TV and gaming box. Nobody really liked that.
TV experience. TV and movies, TV. Xbox, watch TV.
And Phil Spencer turned it around for Xbox, added backwards compatibility with Xbox 360 games, focused on great exclusives, and now has also introduced the Xbox Game Pass, which gives you access to a ton of games on Xbox or PC. So this is a great homage to the person that saved Xbox. The second hidden feature of this controller is digital. Once connected with your Xbox console, you can go to Settings, Personalization, and then Backgrounds. Here you will find an exclusive 20th anniversary dynamic background for the Xbox Series X and Series S. I think this is a unique surprise to receive with an accessory that usually doesn't come with anything else. I really hope all future accessories come with digital content like this. So what do you guys think? Do you like this controller and the hidden features it includes? Definitely let me know in the comments section below. Please hit the thumbs up button below if you enjoyed, and click the subscribe button with the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload more videos like these. Thanks for watching.